In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a Bulgarian split squat on a Bosu ball. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you've got the inflated side up. That means that your foot, specifically your toes and forefoot, are going to be in contact with the middle of the Bosu ball when you do the exercise. You don't want to have the flat side in contact with your foot. You want to have the inflated side in contact with your foot. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have the Bosu ball behind you, bring your feet together and take a little step away from the Bosu ball. Now, dependent on which side you'd like to do first, you're going to take one leg and place it behind your body so the forefoot and toes of that leg are in contact with the Bosu ball. So have a little look at where the Bosu ball is. I've got my toes and forefoot in the middle of the Bosu ball, and what I can do here is I can put my hands to my chest or to my sides, and I want you to imagine you're going to drop down through that back leg. So I've got a very slight lean forwards here, I keep that, but I drop down and then come up like an elevator, directly up as opposed to up and forwards. So when you're in this split stance position, think back leg and back knee comes towards the floor, hovers just off the floor, and then you can come straight back up out of that motion. So each time you do this, it would be a repetition, and you'd be repeating for your desired amount of sets, and of course replicating the same amount of reps on both sides. What you don't want to do is start coming down, but start bringing the body forwards, bring a lot of pressure onto your front knee. Just make sure you're looking up, chest up from here, get your balance, slowly down and back up. That's how to do a Bulgarian split squat on a Bosu ball.